Keep getting disconnected in Roblox due to error code 277? Hey there folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll help you fix Roblox Error Code 277 on your computer. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first type CMD in the search bar here. Then right-click on Command Prompt, now type net sh winsock reset, then hit enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. This will delete the old DNS server cache from your computer. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If that doesn't fix the error, change your DNS server to an optimized one. For this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, just go to settings and click on network and internet. Then click on Ethernet. And click on the edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select manual from here. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. Lastly, click save. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up settings. Click on apps and then installed apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select uninstall. Click on uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now this window will pop up. Click on download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Once the installation is done, the error code 277 should be gone and you should be able to play Roblox without any disconnection problems. So that's it folks. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. Thanks for watching.